it might be out of tune. If it is, don't yell at me. Today, I'm going to teach you, the way I figured out how to play Hug All Your Friends on the ukulele. So, so the chords are C, G, A minor, F, and D. So, I will now sing the song and I'll have it on the screen. Okay. What's it like to be alone on a Sunday, remembering the time you saw him just yesterday? You sing me a song, tell me your thoughts. I could listen to you all night long. Then it goes a bit faster. I don't care about my sleeping routine. I've messed it up as it is, but we've got so much time to kill as the night rocks me to sleep. And it goes in the chorus. Life's too short to worry about things that we've got wrong. So hug all your friends, let them know you're not letting go. I won't let go. I am not letting go. I don't know the bridge, so I can't do that much. I usually don't sing the bridge because it's not that rememberable. Sorry, Robbie. But that is the chords and the basic idea, and then you do the same thing for the second verse and for the choruses. Stay derpy, stay hydrated.